Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your PayPal prepaid card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new PayPal prepaid card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal information ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official PayPal prepaid card activation website at paypal.com/prepaid or log in to your PayPal account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number and other requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the toll-free number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of the card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details and any required personal information. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message online or during your phone call. Your PayPal prepaid card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. For easier management of your card, set up your PayPal prepaid card account online and download the mobile app. This allows you to monitor transactions, reload funds, pay bills, and manage your balance efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.